Okay, so I decided to do a little bit of work on my 40 horsepower Bovaird and Seyfang today. I've had the cylinder and piston soaking for about 3 months with my diesel and waste motor oil. So I decided to take the head off and take a look at the cylinder and see how the condition of the cylinder is. So I drained all the oil out and I've been trying to take the head off. I've been chiseling through this head gasket and it's really stuck on there. So I think plan B is I'm going to try to pressurize the cylinder with compressed air and see if that'll help it out a little bit. So I have 2 nuts on here for safety. I have them maybe give them a little bit of clearance, about a 1/16 or 1/8 of an inch or so. I have some pipe fittings hooked up to the spark plug hole and an on-off valve so I can put air to it or not. So I'm going to start off with the valve closed. Close that. I can see some bubbles coming out. Come over here. See right there? So I don't see anything coming out the exhaust port though. Oh, I heard something. So we got to plan C now. Found a nice thin saw and I'm just trying to cut through the gasket as deep as I can and then give it another shot with the air and see what happens. Now this is a woodworking saw, so it's a good saw for me to use because I never do any woodworking, so it's perfect for cutting through head gaskets. There's a layer of copper gasket on either side and probably asbestos or something equally dangerous in the middle, so that's what the saw is cutting through. And the copper kind of is protecting the head surface a little bit, so I don't scrape it up with the saw. Well, I'm sorry I didn't show you the in-process video, but it was getting dark and I was excited, so I just went with it. Got the head off. There it is. I had to use this air chisel and a bunch of other pry bars and chisels, and I wedged all these in there and let it sit and soaked it with oil and wedged in some more and hammered it, and it's probably been 2 months or so and I finally got it off. Got this piece of wood in here trying to bang the piston back, but I still have the packing gland tight and the crosshead and everything. So here's the inside of the bore. It's not as bad as I was worried, but definitely not as good as I had hoped. I was hoping for a nice, clean, shiny bore, which obviously was out of the realm of possibility, but oh look, there's a hornet's nest. So anyway, next step, clean all this up, and I'm going to take apart the connecting rod, crosshead, slides, and everything, and reduce all the other drag over there so I can see if I can pound the piston back with a sledgehammer and this piece of wood. So that's it for right now for this section of video, getting the head off. It was a lot bigger of a job than I had expected it to be, but there you have it. So thanks for watching, everybody. And as always, stay tuned for more and make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to see updates of me working on this old behemoth. So long for now.